Hello guys, I'm Serber and in this video we are going to talk about Fishing Frenzy. I have made a full tutorial on how to play and how to earn money in this game. We will also talk about the future of this game. At the end of this video I'm going to show you how you can get free RON tokens from me. Let's get started. By registering in this game, it will automatically provide you with a Ronin wallet. This Ronin wallet will be connected to your Fishing Frenzy account. In settings, you can click on Export Wallet and you will get the secret phrase and key from your new Ronin wallet. If you want, you can install the Ronin extension on your computer or the Ronin app on your mobile device to log in with your new Ronin wallet. Just import your key and log in. You will then be able to withdraw or deposit your RON tokens. Now let's talk about the gameplay. The gameplay is super easy and will require about 5 minutes of your time every day. You can play on your mobile device or on your computer. At the top you can see your energy. You need energy to play. Each day you have 30 energy. With that energy you need to fish. To fish, click the play button and then hook. You start by casting your line. The line has different length, from 1 to 6 meters. The longer casts consume more energy but increase the chance of hooking more valuable fish. A length of 1-2 meters consumes 1 energy, 3-4 meters consumes 2 energy, and 5-6 meters will cost 3 energy. A 1-2 meters length has a good rate of catching common and rare fish. Lengths of 3-4 meters are perfect for rare and epic fish, and 5-6 meters is perfect for epic and legendary fish. The mythical chance is equal for every length. Once you have cast out, wait for the bubbles in the water. That means a fish is biting. If you reel in before the bubbles or after them, you will get garbage and lose your energy. Pay attention while casting so you don't waste energy. Before hooking, you can select 5x. You will spend 5 times more energy, but also get 5 times more rewards. I didn't recommend you to use it in the beginning. Now comes the fun part, reeling it in. At the beginning you might lose some energy, but with practice you will be catching all kinds of fish in no time. I have a Telegram channel and a blog channel on Discord where I share the most profitable strategies and my moves in Fishing Frenzy and other games. I post all the calculation and save you a lot of time. If you want to know how to earn, the link will be in the description. Moving forward, as you catch fish, you will notice each one has a rarity and size. The game has 5 different rarities of fish to catch: common, rare, epic, legendary and mythical. Each fish gives you AXP. Higher rarity fish give a higher amount of AXP. AXP is obviously what you will need to level up. As you can see, I'm level 91 and I need a lot of XP to level up. Level is also very important in the game. By having a high level, you will get the better chances of catching higher rarity fish. With each level you gain, you decrease the percent chance of catching common fish and increase the percent chance of higher rarity fish. Leveling up is really important and should be your main focus. It's not easy and it's going to take time, but it will give you some bonuses. Every 5 levels you receive 1 upgrade point. In the game you have the updates icon. By clicking on it you can upgrade some items and improve your experience. Until level 40 it's easy, but after that it's going to be difficult and you won't have many skill points. So before spending them, you need to think carefully. At the moment of this video there is no way to reset skills. Let's talk about the upgrades. The fishing manual skill increases the AXP value for each fish you catch. That's a good skill, but I actually don't recommend you to take it. There are more profitable skills. As you can see, the first 3 upgrades require 1 point each, the next 4 require 2 points each, and the last 3 require 3 points each. That's 20 points in total. You need to be level 100 to get that many points. I invested a lot in this game and I'm level 91 as you can see, so progress is really slow here. The next skill is Icebox, which increases the gold value of your fish. You can sell your fish for gold and that skill will increase the value of your fish. Don't waste your points as I did if you don't understand the game economy yet. Cutting board gives you a chance to not consume bait with a successful catch. This one is a bad skill as well, so don't waste your points. The next skill is rod handle, and in my opinion this one is the best. It gives you a chance to not consume energy while fishing. Since energy is our primary resource in the game, this skill is really valuable. Of course 7 or 10% isn't a lot, but in my opinion it's a good skill. The reel skill increases your capture zone each time you fish. When I started I didn't understand what this skill did, but now I do. While you fish, your reel will get bigger by a certain percent. Without this skill it's so difficult to catch legendary or mythical fish, even some epic fish, so I chose it. That skill helped me a lot in the fishing gameplay. 3 skill points are enough to spend on it in my opinion, you don't need more than that. The next skill is Lucky Charm. With every successful catch, you have a really small percent chance to get random item drops. I have got 2 times. One time it was 1 sushi and the second time it was 10,000 XP. I don't think that you need to spend your points in this skill unless you have a lot of them. So, in total, the best skills in my opinion are Rod Handle to save your energy and Reel to help you catch the fish. Good. I hope that info wasn't too much for you. In the beginning it might seem a little bit complicated, but when you start playing it's going to be easy for you. The gameplay is super easy and you don't need to grind. Let's move on and talk about the gold. The gold is an in-game currency which is important too. With gold you can buy sushi for 500 gold in the shop and it's going to give you 5 energy. It's not a lot and it's kinda expensive in my opinion, but it is what it is. Especially when you have gold and you don't have anywhere to spend it, you just buy sushi and keep playing. You can also buy an XP scroll for 1000 coins, which gives you 10,000 XP. In my opinion, it's better to buy sushi with that gold, play and level up. Then you can buy baits. The small bait increases the chance of getting rare fish by 250%. The medium increases the chance of getting epic fish by 200%. And the big one increases the chance of getting legendary fish by 150%. I have made some calculations and I come to the conclusion that baits aren't worth it. I prefer to fish without them and buy sushi with my gold to increase my level. You can obtain gold from selling your fish, but I recommend you cook your fish and don't sell it. You can also get gold from me. If you register with my link, every day I gift you some gold. The system allows me to send my partners some gold every day, and if you're not my partner, you probably will not receive those rewards for free. In the daily quest tab, you can receive 500 gold every day if you catch 10 fish and verify your wallet. There is also daily login where you can earn a small amount of gold. You can also buy gold in the shop for RON tokens. It's expensive, so it's better to buy special packs. Sometimes they appear, but if you don't want to put your money in the game, then you don't need to. You can still play without spending your money. If you want to put real money in the game and buy some special packs, just transfer RON tokens into your game's Ronin wallet. Your RON will automatically appear in the game. The game also has a seasonal battle pass for 20 RON monthly, and in my opinion it's the best investment you can make in this game. The battle pass runs for 1 month, and when you fish and get XP, the XP is counted toward the battle pass too. There is typically a free tier and a premium version for the battle pass. As you play the game, catching fish, completing quests, etc., you gain battle pass XP to progress through pass levels. Free battle pass rewards include things like gold, baits and other consumables, basically extra resources to help you in the game. But if you buy the premium version, you will get frenzy points, and with those frenzy points you will get the future airdrop in Fishing Frenzy. They will launch their token, I don't know when, and I don't think it will happen soon, but they confirm that the amount of frenzy points will determine the amount of airdrop. There is also a rank tab where you can track all players with a higher amount of frenzy points. Some of them have amazing numbers, they probably put a lot of money in this game. But how do you earn frenzy points? Premium Battle Pass is one way. The game also has a VIP system for those who spend RON tokens in the game. You spend money in the game and accumulate VIP points. When you reach a certain level, you get extra frenzy points. Also, every 1 VIP level gives you plus 0.5 multiplier for your frenzy points. If you have 1 million of frenzy points and got the next VIP level, you will have 1,500,000 frenzy points. Through the partner program, you can also get frenzy points. The amount is 5% of each partner's frenzy points. The leaderboard also grants you some frenzy points if you get high enough. Speaking about leaderboards, every week there is a leaderboard for fishing and cooking. If you place among the top players for the week, you can get extra rewards like frenzy point and chest. Those chests are tradable on Ronin marketplace and you really can sell them and earn RON tokens. The cheapest chest is almost 2 RON tokens. Players buy those chests because they can get some gold and rods inside, and these rods are actually NFTs and they have an XP boost. But it's only for rich people because it's easy to break the rod within 5-6 catches. You can play without putting your money in the game, and if you get lucky you can receive at least 2 RON tokens every week. Now let's talk about cooking. one more way to participate in the leaderboard and use your fish. Each week there are different recipes available to cook, and with cooking you can get sashimi. One sashimi gives you 1 energy. You also have an 8% chance to get sushi. And if you get lucky enough, you can win premium or divine sashimi to sell for pearls. You can use them to spin the wheel and even win amazing rewards. The gameplay is simple. Add the number of fish that you want to cook and click the cook button. And that's all. Sashimi and sushi will appear on your inventory. Cooking also has levels, and you get cooking XP with each recipe. If you have a lot of fish, you can cook them. You also can participate in the weekly leaderboard and get some rewards. By now you might be wondering, so how do I actually make real money from this game? It's a good question. RON is the native token of the Ronin network the blockchain Fishing Frenzy runs on. And while the game itself doesn't just hand out RON for every fish, there are ways to earn or obtain RON through gameplay and then cash out if you want. Now we are going to talk deeper about the gameplay. In the game you have different NFTs such as chests and rods. Rods you can buy in the marketplace and they give you an additional XP boost. But the most important thing, they give you the chance to get shiny fish. You have between an 8% and 20% chance of getting a shiny fish when fishing. While normal fish are not NFTs and you can't sell them, shiny fish are NFTs and they are tradable or Ronin marketplace. The cheapest fish cost about 0.05 RON tokens. Some of them cost around 1 RON token or more. It really depends on the rarity of fish. Players buy those fish because they need to cook and get some energy and participate in the weekly leaderboard. The problem is to get NFT rods. The cheapest rod costs almost 2 RON tokens and has about a 30% chance to get a shiny fish. The rods have 4 conditions: good, poor, perfect and broken. Each rod has break and downgrade chances, so it's difficult to say if it's worth to buy those rods and chests or not. You need to make your own calculations based on your own budget. I recommend you to join and take a look at this game. Look at the game's economy, especially now, because the team is working and every week new updates are coming, so the economy or the rewards can change. The game also has the founder pass. The supply is only 888 and the cheaper one costs almost 500 RON. These are limited NFTs in the Fishing Frenzy economy. It doesn't have clear utility right now, but the team has confirmed some rewards for it. Founder pass holders will receive an allocation of the mysterious redacted token when it launches. Holders will also receive exclusive cosmetics like rods, skins, pets, etc. From time to time there are snapshots and each holder receives 100 VP points and 10,000 gold for free. The Founder Pass doesn't only affect the Fishing Frenzy game. The Uncharted team will give bonuses and early access to their other games for holder of Founder Pass. Uncharted is the team behind Fishing Frenzy. They are planning to launch more games in the future and holders of Founder Pass will have access to them. It's expensive, but it's justified by the extra limited supply, and if you believe in this game, maybe it's for you. Fishing Frenzy is just getting started. The team has shared a roadmap with some exciting futures plans that will expand the game beyond just fishing and cooking. One of the soonest updates will include pets. Those pets will be NFTs and tradable on marketplace. They will provide bonuses on daily basis. The team is also planning to include diving, aquariums, crafting, agents and expeditions, guilds, world expansions and a lot more. In short, Fishing Frenzy aims to evolve from a simple fishing game into a full RPG world with multiple activities. We are currently in the Uncharted Waters campaign Season 1, and it has already introduced major features like cooking, frenzy points, NFT rods, shiny fish, etc. The fact that over 450,000 players tried the alpha version is a good sign, and now the game is on the biggest games blockchain, Ronin, where things are looking promising. That's why I'm started to play this game. I believe in it and I already invested around $500 in this game. Now let's talk about the profitable part for you. For each partner who creates an account with my link, I will personally give 1.1 RON tokens. For 1 RON, you can buy the special starter pack that includes 1000 gold, 6 sushi and 1 bait, and the rest 0.10 RON. Keep for paying the fees for the daily check-in and wallet verification. To receive those rewards, just join with my link in the description or enter my code and message me on Discord or Telegram with your Ronin wallet to receive those tokens. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.